Dr. Robert Mitchell's job is to supervise a team of approximately 20 people in the office.
Being a master communicator is incredibly important.
Dr. Itisha Wilbon and other clinicians in the office require a strong skill set to do their jobs.
Making sure that we have compassion and empathy, as well as having the clinical, theoretical approaches that can be beneficial to the student.
Counselors and physicians here use AI for administrative tasks. The American Medical Association reports that AI use jumped in areas such as documentation, notes, and research summaries from 2023 to 2024.
While AI serves as a valuable tool in some fields, there are some tools that are far more valuable.
Dr. Mitchell believes that a physical exam is necessary to understand a problem rather than typing in a list of symptoms. And the same applies to counseling.
I may not know what it's like to be fearful for you in that moment, but I do know fear, and I do know sadness, and I do know happiness. And I know it more than just understanding the basic definition, which is what AI is.
While AI can be helpful to collect and organize data, it still remains a tool for a medical provider and cannot replace the human care they provide. At the Fresno State Student Health and Counseling Center, Lauren Avila, Fresno State Focus.